Ladies follow on with the welcome remarks. Engineer Ray Ignacio Diaz, valedictorian Class 17, and President of Mountain Motors Realty Corporation.
Fellow alumni, good evening everybody. On behalf of the Board of Trustees of the NOQHS Alumni Foundation and the co-hosts of tonight's occasion, I welcome everybody to this refreshing and certainly much looked forward to tradition of the alumni movement. I hope everybody is enjoying the evening so far with the dinner that has been prepared for us. And I hope everybody is now enjoying the company of our long-lost friends and new acquaintances. Certainly this is a night, or this is an occasion where we try to cement friendships, reminisce the years gone by with our schoolmates, classmates, and everybody that we know. But this evening is very special to me because this is the first occasion, or this is the first event held by the Alumni Foundation where we have a co-host, and that is batch 83, led by Engineer Hook and Pise, sila Nek Paloma, sila Raquel Luciano, and the whole batch of 83. I hope that the participation of the newer, more aggressive, more dynamic generation of alumni will signal the how do we call it, the changing or the passing of the torch. And I hope that in the future, more of the later, the newer years of graduates will have more involvement, more commitment in the alumni movement para naman po dumami kami lalo ang samahan natin, at so that the alumni movement can be stronger and so that it can be in a better position to help our alma mater and the students that badly need our help. Again, welcome everybody, and let's all enjoy the night. Thank you.